Hello, welcome back to my channel. Sylvia here with Uncage Your Sunflower. Today I wanted to do a restorative beginner nature yoga flow. So go ahead and find your mat, find a space outside with Mother Earth, and connect with me. We're going to start in downward facing dog, so go ahead and lift your hips up to the sky. Press your hands into the earth and breathe. Find a deep breath in here and a deep exhale. And another inhale and exhale. So beautiful to connect to Mother Earth. She's always here with us, allowing us to connect with her, and connecting with nature and grounding allows us to feel more balanced. Grounding is actually proven to rid us of free radicals that are sitting in our systems. So electrons or negative energy that's sitting inside of us gets balanced out simply by grounding into Mother Earth. Nature yoga is one of my favorite classes. Go ahead and find another deep breath in here. Roll forward into plank and exhale and push back. We're going to move really slow here, just letting you feel into your body. If you're in a foundations beginner class, I like to teach really just the foundations of the core poses of yoga and just allowing you to connect to breath and connect to your body and to just let go. So breathe in, roll forward into plank, and exhale, push back. At any time, if you ever need to modify in downward dog, you can drop your knees down to the earth and take a moment to rest. If you're feeling strong today, you can keep those hips up to the sky. One more, breathe in. Roll forward, breathe out, roll back. Go ahead and point your right toe, your right foot to the sky, lifting straight up, look forward, and step in between your hands. Breathe in, reach your arms up. And breathe out and open into Warrior Two. So Warrior Two is one of the most beautiful yoga poses. It's a strong pose. You can start feeling a nice hip opening. Feel strength in your right thigh, your right quad firing to keep you stable and strong. And those arms are even activated as you open and expand your chest and reach in those fingertips. Go ahead and breathe. Stay. Inhale, exhale, breathe out. Go ahead and inhale, reach your arms up to the sky, straighten that front leg, and exhale and fold forward. Give me a deep breath in through your belly. And a deep breath out. Inhale, give me a halfway lift, press your hands into the mat, neutral spine. And exhale and fold. Inhale, halfway lift. And fold. Inhale, rise all the way up and bend in that left knee. Feeling strong in those fingertips, strong in those arms, bending in that left knee over ankle. Breathing, feeling so strong. Inhale, stay. Deep breath in. Exhale. Hold that right arm back. Feel that expansion a little bit more in your chest. Lift your chin up. Such a beautiful view here outside for me, out in nature. I see the trees and the sun's starting to come down. The sunlight's just streaming through the trees, glistening on the tree limbs and the leaves, the grass. The sky is blue. So grateful for Mother Earth. Breathe in and reach up. Breathe out and fold in the middle. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, stay. Go ahead and turn on that right knee. Drop that left knee down. Straighten that right knee and fold into your hamstring. Breathe and reach up on your fingertips. Look forward. Breathe out and fold. If you've been working with me for a while and you want a little bit more advanced, you can bring that left knee as far back as you want. This is the advanced pose, the split. Reaching, breathing. Breathe out and fold. If you're new to yoga, stay right here in this modification. You're doing great. Just breathe and surrender down. All right, go ahead and bend in that front knee. Track star. So you're gonna open that left hip and you're gonna just shimmy side to side. I really love track star. It feels really nice and juicy for the hips. So often we sit at home or at work for long hours and our hips get so unified, stuck together. And track star just feels so nice because we get to open and rinse and cleanse in our hips. Go ahead and breathe in for me. Breathe out. Walk on over to the other side. Breathe in. Breathe out. Good. I want you to stand all the way up. Breathe in, reach. Breathe out, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Fold. Go ahead and get back on your mat into your plank position. Push back into your downward facing dog. Bend in your knees. Give me a really deep bend in your knees. Feeling a stretch in your upper back, your chest. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now drop your forearms down to the earth. Give me a nice bend in your knees. Drop your head in between your arms and breathe. In your dolphin pose here, I want you to hike your hips as high up to the sky as you can. Straighten those knees now and melt those heels down to the earth. Moving that head a little bit further in between your arms. And breathe. You're going to feel a nice stretch behind the shoulders and the upper back. This is a really good stretch for people that hold a lot of upper back tension. For me, I hold a lot of upper back tension and chest tension. It's where I, as a woman, hold my stress. So this stretch feels really good for that. So you can play around with it too by like bending in your knees, sink a little bit deeper. So breathe here, soften, breathe in, soften your head even further down, and drop your knees, child's pose. So child's pose, you're gonna open your knees as wide as you can. You're gonna breathe and reach. And you're gonna breathe out and reach forward and surrender down. Another deep breath in, soften. Another one, fill up, breathe in. Ground your hands into the earth and exhale. Go ahead and press your hands back up into a plank. Push your booty back into downward facing dog. Point your right foot all the way up to the sky for three-legged dog. Step between your hands. Plant that back foot back. Straighten that front knee. Breathe and reach. Breathe out and open. Gonna go into triangle. So triangle, we're gonna have this base. We have that front foot straight, vertical. Our back foot horizontal. And we're gonna reach and hinge as far forward as we can. So breathe in. Hinge and drop your hand down to your ankle, your shin. You can go down on the floor if you want to, but I find that staying at the ankle, I can still kind of feel lifted up in the chest rather than down here. I'm falling forward. So just stay strong, stay tall, and then reach your top arm up. You should feel a nice stretch in the side of this hip area. Breathe in, reach your left arm, fingertips up higher. Breathe out and twist and open. Breathe in, breathe out. Switch sides, so I want you to plant that left arm down. Bring that back foot straight now and reverse triangle. With that left hand planted, you're gonna reverse and bring your right arm to the side. Feeling a stretch in the IT band and hip on the other side. Breathe in, breathe out, twist. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, reach those fingertips even higher. Exhale, twist a little bit more. Go ahead and drop those hands down. I want you to walk all the way over to your back foot. Good. We're going to find that warrior pose. You're going to reach those arms out long. When you feel strong and stable, straighten that front knee, hinge, breathe, drop forward. That right arm up. I feel a lot of tension being released here. You might notice that one hip is holding a lot more than the other. So breathe here and stay. Inhaling and reaching those fingertips up higher. Exhaling and opening. Breathe in. Breathe out. Maybe take a moment to look up at the beautiful sky, appreciating its beauty. Maybe the sunshine is streaming on your face, so you feel a nice cool breeze. You hear the waterfall behind me. The waterfall fountain is so relaxing. I love to sit up here and practice. Tap into your nature, tap into your Mother Earth. Mother Earth is so grounding. Helps expand your root chakra. Sits at the base of the spine. Allows you to feel secure, stable, grounded in your presence. Let's go of fear. So connect and ground into nature when you can. Breathe in and reach. Breathe out and fold in the middle. Go ahead and clasp your hands behind your back and drop your head down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Bend in your knees. Heel toe, heel toe, heel toe. Walk your feet in. Sit down into your yogi squat. Yogi squat, you have your hands pressed together. You're rocking side to side. Feeling a stretch in your inner hips here. Breathe in. Breathe out. And inhale. And exhale. Go ahead and plant your right hand down and reach your left arm up. Breathe and reach those fingertips higher. Go ahead and switch arms. Bring your hands back to prayer. Go ahead and roll on your back all the way down into your Shavasana. Connect your hands down into the earth, grounding, breathing. Last couple minutes here will just be our final meditation. So connect to your belly, connect to your breath, connect to softening and letting go of anything that's still holding on. Position when you're ready. We're going to do a quick hamstring stretch on that left leg because we didn't do that on the other side. So So if you want to join me, we're just going to do right knee bent, left leg long, breathe in and reach tall, breathe out and fold. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. All right, go ahead and sit back on your heels if it's comfortable. Sit however you'd like. Thank you for joining me today in this Foundations Beginner Yoga class. I really enjoyed being able to just take the time to just move slowly through these movements, targeting breath, targeting alignment, targeting just letting go and surrendering to the practice. Yoga truly is a practice. It takes time to tap into our body, to have the awareness on what we feel on the day-to-day. But once we start to feel into our body, into our mind, and connecting, we start to be able to do it more and more and make it habitual, to be able to help ourselves and help us heal and let go and release emotions that are trapped inside of us, inside of our body, inside of our mind. And yoga is a beautiful practice that can help you with that on a day-to-day. As a yoga instructor, I personally still stretch and do yoga every single day. I'm very grateful that I was able to find this at such a young age. I've been practicing for 11 years and having my business for a couple years and teaching for 4. And I hope that I can continue to share with you all the beauty of yoga, whether it be power strengthening yoga, vinyasa, free flow, breath through movement, gentle restorative beginner, foundations, journaling through repressed emotions, yoga strong with weights, whatever it may be that interests you, that you want to see in a YouTube video, please feel free to put down below. I know a lot of you guys were interested in like a slow paced foundations beginner yoga class, which is why I wanted to make this class, because I'm so used to, burning, cardio, moving fast, strength training, because I'm very much into the advanced yoga. But I know that there's a lot of you guys out there that are interested in just basically learning what yoga is, just the foundations, and that's why I created this video today. And if you like this video, feel free to give it a like, subscribe, to share the love, and peace and love, yogis. Thank you for joining.